Hello students, in previous class I was teaching you how can I find the solution of two linear equations by graphical method. In this method, first case, that is when two lines intersecting at a point, I have already studied. Now second case, case second, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Y-axis and x-axis. Point of intersection is called origin. This is the line of first equation L1 and another line over this line, that is called L2. Here we see two lines coincident. When the lines when the lines L1 and L2 are coincident, when lines L1 and L2 are coincident. Coincident means एक के ऊपर दूसरा आना, यानी कि उसको कवर कर लेना, ढक देना. L1 उसी के ऊपर दूसरा लाइन L2 आ जाना, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोइंसिडेंट. When the two graph lines L1 and L2 coincide, the given system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Thus we can say here, that is when two lines intersect each other, that have unique solution. When two lines coincide each other at this place, two equations has so many solutions, infinitely many solutions. And now third case is case third. In this case, this is the y-axis, y dash, x dash, this is the origin. Here two lines are parallel. This is the L1 and this is the L2. L1 and L2 are parallel lines. L1 and L2 are parallel lines. When the lines L1 and L2 are parallel, when the lines L1 and L2 are parallel, then in this case there is no common solution. There is no common solution. Then in this case the given system is inconsistent. In this case the given system is inconsistent. When two graph lines intersect at a point, they have a unique solution. When two graph lines coincide each other, they have infinitely many solutions. When two graph lines are parallel to each other, they have no any solutions. Thus, summary. A system of two linear equations in x and y has first a unique solution if the graph lines intersect at a point. Second point, infinitely many solutions if the two graph lines coincide. Third point is no solution if the two graph lines are parallel. So this is the summary. A system of two linear equations in x and y has, दो इक्वेशन यदि यूनिक सॉल्यूशन रखता है, ए यूनिक सॉल्यूशन इफ द ग्राफ लाइन्स इंटरसेक्ट एट ए पॉइंट, यानी उस दोनों इक्वेशन का ग्राफ लाइन यदि एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करता है, यानी कि एक पॉइंट पर काटता है, तो उसका यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होता है. इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन इफ द टू ग्राफ लाइन्स कोइंसाइड, यदि वह लाइन एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ जाता है तो उस स्थिति में उस दोनों इक्वेशंस का बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशन हो गए, यानी कि इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस. यदि उस इक्वेशंस का जो ग्राफ लाइन है वह दोनों पैरेलल हो जाता है, उस स्थिति में कोई भी सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा, नो सॉल्यूशन if the two graph lines are parallel. Now In next video I will solve some question.